Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the cosmetic regulation in US. The FD and the C Act define the cosmetic by their intended use, as the articles intended to be rubbed, poured, and sprinkled or spray on, introduced into, or otherwise applied to human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting, treatment. The most important laws pertaining to cosmetic marked in the US and the FD&C Act as the Fair Packaging and the Labeling Act FPLA. Definition of the cosmetic regulation in the European Union. The European Union Cosmetic Directive there are the defines a cosmetic as an substance or the preparation intended to be placed in contact with the various external part of the body, that is epidermis, hair system, nails, lip, and the external genital. The 27 European Union member states have the transposed the EU cosmetic, which means the regulate cosmetic within their respective United States and the European Union regulation safety. Both work to ensure the safety of cosmetic for the consumers through the rigorous regulations. US CIR cosmetic ingredient review expert panel conduct independent safety review of the ingredients as part of the cosmetic safety process, and results published in the International Journal of the Toxicology and CIR website. US has required extra regulatory hurdles because they are classified as the drug. EU Scientific Committee on the Consumer Safety is responsible for reviewing all the special and the active cosmetic ingredients and assessing the conditions for safe use, and the results published on the committee website. In EU, ban red flag certain chemicals forms used in the cosmetic, approximately 300. There are the banned ingredient. Examples are jet, aircraft fuel, carbon monoxide. In today's class, I discuss about the definitions of cosmetic regulation in European Union, cosmetic regulation in the US. Thank you.